little hectic morning. A little hectic morning. I don't even think I got my charts set up. No, I don't. No thanks. All right, let's go here. What do I got? Strategies. I don't even have my account hooked in. Okay, there we are. Oops, let me get rid of that. All right. That's gold, right? Yeah. All right, gold. Ooh-wee, the NQ's off and running. Look at that, off the prior day high. Nice. Strategy. That one has the account in it. That's weird. All right. And then YM. Strategy. That one has the account in it also. Well, hell, I could just. Strategy. And last but not least, ES. Ooh, ES is on top of the prior day high right now. What time is it? 9:49. E. Okay. Hold on here. Give me a second here. I might want to take a trade there. Did gold dump? I think there is someone talking, Trader Joe. I think there is someone talking. Let me look. Yeah. Gold is looking ugly today. It's just spinning. Just spinning. Morning, everybody. Did I say that yet? I don't even know if I said that. I've been every year my wife does a cookie exchange thing with a bunch of people, and I've had to help a little bit, kind of set stuff up this morning, so I'm a little bit behind. I'm going to protect the bottom of this candle right here. See if the ES will roll up for me off the prior day high. Come on, ES, what the hell? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Break the top of it. All right, there we go. All right, there you go. All right, come on. Let's make some money. Since I'm taking this off the prior day high, I literally have no place to go. So I'm just going to let my target be my target. Boy, it didn't. It looked like it just wanted the pivot to be the target. Jesus. Just sold right back. All right, I'm going to defend the bottom of that candle. Come on, gold, or ES. Looks like we got a bigger spot way up right up here at 82.50. Maybe I should look at that as my target. If we get moving here, 82.50. What the hell? 82.25. Come on. Come on, ES. Come on, ES. It's pretty overextended. Don't get me wrong. That was a nice 1 minute gold line trade it did earlier. But I mean, I got to figure they're going to defend the prior day high for a little while, make the market look like it's good, you know, healthy and all that good happy horse shit. Come on. Well, I'm not going to let it break the bottom of that candle. So I do not want it to come down and test the 9 yet, because I'm in the way of the 9. Jesus. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm going to get knocked out. I'm going to get knocked out. What a loss. Well, no. Okay, so the bottom of the candle held for a second there. Yep, I'm out. Good job, Bob. Yay, team. I lost $30. It'll roll up now because it's going to test the 9. Hey, Orville, how you doing? Let me tell you, Orville, you'd be proud of me. Actually, everybody would. I got punched in the face yesterday trading. And after the live stream, I went and did some shit and whatever. Came back about 1 o'clock or so. And I sat here looking at the NQ, and I mean, it was just going zing, 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 zing. And I traded and got my money back. I mean, it was just such easy rotations. It was doing a really good job yesterday afternoon. And it wasn't acting really crazy. So I was able to get into some trades and, make decisions, that kind of stuff. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've got one of those right now. I've got to have it yanked, man, because it's already had a crown, and I've already had it fixed before. Now the crown's broken. It's a molar. Yeah, thank you, Bruce. It was a good comeback. I mean, the NQ yesterday afternoon, man, it was just doing rotations up and down, support, boom. I mean, it was beautiful, stress-free. I'd never really seen the NQ so stress-free before in my life as it was yesterday afternoon. I mean, really stress-free. Oh, fuck, I'm sorry. I don't have a GC chart on my, sorry about GC there. All right, so what do we get? The problem, we keep coming back to this damn overnight open and we're not doing anything off of it. Let me get in here. I got something screwed up in this setup. Oh shit. Sorry. I should have taken that short there. I still think they need to bring it up here. They keep running towards the prior day open. They just don't get there. I mean, it just seems like the zone that's the closest one to go to, because this one's way down here. And they've already been here today. That's what the current low of crossed over the prior day low and then rejected, which is pretty cool. Right there. Boom, boom. Matter of fact, they did look at this first thing in the morning. I mean, midnight. What did they do here, guys? What did they do here? What did they do here? What did they do right there? 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 It's a miracle. It's just a freaking miracle. It's an absolute miracle. I mean, it's like, God dang, that was at what? This is Eastern Standard Time. So 8 o'clock or so. Shabam, right back to the red line. The beautifulest W pattern you've ever seen in your life. The most beautiful W pattern you'll ever see in your life. I swear to God, that is such a beautiful trade. God dang. And this one, literally, since we got news and right now, who cares, right? We don't want to be in the trade during news. I mean, to one tick above the low was the pullback. I mean, this is the most beautiful W pattern you will ever see in your life. I can't draw one better than this. If I sat here all day with my markers and stuff, I couldn't draw a better one on my chart, on my board here than that. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely freaking amazing. God dang, that's amazing. Man, oh man alive. Just amazing. Seriously. Wow. Anyways, so they've been running it back and forth here. That's why I'm saying I think they want to take it up here. Because they've already done the reindeer game down below. We just saw it. They double bottomed off the prior day low and shot it back up to the overnight open. I mean, they've already played the reindeer game to the south. So now it's time to play reindeer games to the north. So we had news at 10. I wasn't paying attention really. Oh, yeah, existing home sales, consumer sentiment. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get gold to do a deep pullback right here to the overnight open since we broke the high. So you notice we broke the high right here. Okay. Let's see if we can get a pullback to here and then a rotation up to the open. That's exactly what I'm going to be looking for right here. That's exactly what I'm going to be looking for right here. That W pattern is just, it's just, isn't that stuff amazing? Yeah, I call it reindeer games. And hey, by the way, I call it reindeer games in July, but it is the season, isn't it? Tis the season. Yeah. Yeah, I do. I call it reindeer games in July. It doesn't matter. And that's what they do. They just play these games. And our job is to identify when the game's being played. Prime example is, they broke this pivot by one tick, ran it back down. So what we're looking for is we need support to take this long. I'm a little concerned they're going to run already. Damn it. Without really hitting my 9. And that's the kind of stuff that happens when you get not high volume trading. This kind of stuff where your pullbacks end up being shallow. They don't end up being deep. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this runs up. There it goes. Yep. And I that's one of the things that frustrates me when we get into light volume trading is the pullbacks can get shallow. Yeah, Cody. Yeah. See, there you go. There you go. I just, the pullbacks tend to be shallow. You don't get, on normal trading, we would have had that pierce through that gold line and then back up. But we got, God dang it. Is it triple witching today? Okay. Freaking gold. I don't think we had much money there because of that anyways. 68. Yeah, it got maybe 20 ticks. There wasn't much room for that trade. That's why I wanted a deep pullback here and then a rotation up. Fucking piece of shit. I guess I should have been more patient with that ES trade. It went all the way up through my target. Jesus. Should have been more patient with my ES trade. Turned out to be a beautiful trade. There you go. Yeah, there you go, gold. You pain in the ass. Yeah. It didn't pierce for me, Jim, so I didn't take it. yeah. The power being out yesterday was tell me about it, Jim. Well, I shouldn't say that. I did buy one gift, but of course I did it online. I bought one gift for myself and all my kids. And it cost me my profits for last week. And then I told my wife to go buy her own damn gift. I did. So she did yesterday. I get you, Jim. I get it. Oh, fuck, Jim. Oh, man. Now you're going to make me cry today. God dang it. Jesus. Man, you probably, I don't know. That's, that's not good, man. She has to be tough. She married you. You have to be a tough woman to marry a mortgage guy. I can tell you that. My wife's tough. My wife's German tough. She is German. Through and through, she's German. That's terrible, Jim. Jesus, man. That's just freaking terrible, man. Right before Christmas. Man, that's terrible. I don't know what to say right now. I'm pretty much lost right now. That's terrible. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, Jim. Right there is that if we can get a crossover retest of the prior day open on gold. I'm trying to where's the next rotation? Well, it's pretty freaking high up there. All right, I want gold. I'd like gold to go down here. I'm gonna pay attention, see if we get an inside candle here, I'll take the break to the long side. Just kind of telling you guys what I would do. All right, we're going to get an inside candle. So I'm going to put a long potential if we go outside the candle once we close. Yep. All right, there we go. I'm in and I'm good. to let it take me out if it does. Come on, gold. Not looking good. Not looking good. It's fighting. Come on, gold. I should have taken it out at even, but I didn't move my stop. I was just kind of numb right now from Jim's news. That's terrible. Just freaking terrible, man. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. All right, keep going. Keep going. All right. I might move my target, see if I can get something bigger now. I don't know. Let me get this up here. Yeah, I'm gonna move my target a little bit. Let me just move my target some. See if I can get something a little bigger here. Yeah, it didn't go through the top. It just stopped. A lot of sellers up there at that pivot. Yep. There were a lot of sellers up at that pivot there. Oh man, are you going to go through the top? Come on, go through that top now. Oh, there we go. All right. All right. I want to defend the bottom of this candle right here. All right. I think I'm going to try for 83.20, that area, from looking at the prior day information. So see if I can get to 83.20. Be a good little win for the day. Really needs to break that pivot to the left. This is getting a little long in the tooth right here. Come on. We had an inside candle to the upside. Come on. Come on. Go through the top. Go through the top. Come on, gold. Go through the top. Yep. Yep. Go through the top. Come on. I'm out, I think. Yep. Yep. I'm out. Yeah. Now we've got a dilemma too, because if it does roll down to the prior day open, it did not break the pivot to the long side. That's a perplexing spot to put us in, to be honest with you. I should have let the 9 do its job, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out also. It's just light volume trading, man. When it runs up to that top, I mean, come on, man. Why aren't you going through? There's not enough volume to push it. Man, I'm sitting here looking at the NQ and it's dead asleep. Anybody notice that? Yeah. I'm down $16, everybody. $16. See, I got my money back yesterday. I was down. I lost all my money for the week. I lost like $1,400 in the live stream yesterday. And then I dug it all back, plus like, I don't know, whatever, $100 or something in NQ. Shit. All right, I'm still gonna pay attention to a long off the prior day open, even though we're not rotating from a pivot high. If it'll pull back. Yeah. I don't like the fact that it didn't create a high, but I agree with you, Jim. It could roll up. Looks like it's trying to. Looks like it's going to. Of course, they could just be trapping people right now because they didn't hit the high the last time. Oh, that's the sorry. There's my wife once a year has a cookie exchange for Christmas, and so there's freaking 20 plus women upstairs. You know how that is. I don't have any grandkids. My grandkids are 4-legged. But I got a herd of women upstairs. I was wondering if you guys were hearing that. Yeah. The good part is, when they finally waddle out of my house, I get a plethora of good cookies. There's one woman that brings like the best chocolate chip cookies, man. I'm a simple person. I like chocolate chip cookies. She brings the best chocolate chip cookies. So as soon as they leave, man, but they're not going to leave till like noon. They're upstairs drinking Baileys and coffee and cackling and all that stuff. All right, come on now. Now, see, now we're coming from a high. Okay. So this would be a great time to get a pullback to the prior day high or the prior day open, whatever this is, PDO, prior day open. This would be a beautiful time to get this set up because we're now coming from a high. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Let's go. Let's go. Damn it. Let's go. Patience, patience, patience. Patience, patience, patience. Have we broken this? Have we broken this pivot yet? No, we have not. All right. We do have a pivot we have to break, which is the bad news right here to get there. I know that, Bruce, but that's why I want it deliberate. I want it deliberate and firm. We've crossed over. See, we blew over that line. And as we talk about many, many times, we know they need to test resistance by showing its support. So here we are. Here we are. Let's see if we can get a clean setup without huge candles. Yeah, it's pretty deliberate right now. There is no doubt about that. It is very deliberate. And it bounced off that 5-minute red line right there just for added bonus. So I'm going to do a long order of the break of that candle when this candle closes. See if I can get something back to the top. See if I can get something back through the top. We'll see. I don't know. Man, the NQ's starting to set up a 5-minute red line. Does everybody see that? There might be a 5-minute red line setting up in the NQ. Yes, sirree, Bob. Might be a 5-minute red line. Let me see what ES is doing. Okay, ES is broken down also. All right. might be everything's going to start waking up now. That'd be good. I'm not taking this anymore. This candle's too big. So I'm not taking the long here anymore. This candle's too big for me. Just letting you know, I'm hands off. Now, the ideal situation at this point, in my opinion, is if this candle here would close, leave space, rotate up. Ah, shit. I wanted it to have space and then do a short to the downside. This is where it gets frustrating because, you get like 60% of the pattern and then it just turns into garbage. All right, I'm going to take this one now. That's the one I'm going to take. Come on. Go. Don't take me out yet. Come on. Ah. Come on. That was not good. Both my wicks are above. When they lined up together, I was like, well, shit, if they go through the top of that, it should go. But no, we're just sitting here in mud. Yep. I'm out too. I just got, now I'm going to get my money back to the downside now. Come on. Roll over. Just go. You've proven you're not going long. Now let's go. Oh my God. Are you kidding? Are we going to go through this shit like we did yesterday? Yep. Oh, man. Looks like I'm going to need the NQ to dig me out of this garbage again. Come on, let's go. Go. All right, let me look at what I got here. These freaking markers are in my way here. Oh shit! These damn markers are in my way. I can't see. All right, I want to get this up here. Get that out of the way. Defend this candle here. Come on. What? Come on. Now pivot. Rotate. Okay, let's go. Let's get some leg here. I'm going to try to add into this. Try to add into this. Come on. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. What are you doing? All right, there you go. Come on. There you go. Okay, come on. Now go. Why are we sitting here staring at you doing nothing? Now go. Oh my God. Come on. What the? All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Back through the top. Back through the top. Let's go. Come on. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. It's like freaking painful. Come on. It's just unbelievable. Oh my God. Come on. We broke this pivot to the left. Let's go. This is the struggle to get out of the zone. Remember? And then it runs. So we got to get through the struggle before it starts running. Come on. Go. There you go. Jesus. Oh my God. Now it should run. Yeah, come on. This is exactly why I won't be trading next week. This right here. This is exactly why. Because this is insanity. Ah, what? That pivot held? Are you kidding me? That pivot held. Holy shit. I mean, this is insanity. That pivot held that I was original that I'm at. That's crazy. Then you should run now. I'm going to get knocked out. Yep. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. I couldn't believe my pivot held the first rotation. I could not believe that when it rotated and came down. I couldn't believe my pivot held. I don't know yet, Mike. I haven't even looked at a calendar or anything. Mike's question was when am I going to be back live? I don't know. Yeah, have a good Christmas, Jim. And good luck, man. Yeah. Jesus. Just painful right there. Yep. See you guys in 2026. See you in 2026. Yeah, gold is not. I lost money, James, for the exact same reasons of today. There's no follow through. That's what happened yesterday. Then I signed off and went and calmed down. I lost all my money for the week. Then I signed off and calmed down, and then I came back not to trade, but I looked at the charts and I saw the NQ doing some really nice, smooth, rhythmic patterns yesterday. So I went ahead and took some trades, got my money back. But yesterday was terrible, just like today. Today is just terrible. I mean, there's just no follow through. I mean, this pattern I was in right here in gold, I mean, 90% of the time minimum, it's going to run right through that top. And it just ran out of gas. There's nobody there to manipulate it. Good job, Joe. Yeah, Trader Joe, that's a great idea. Yeah, you appreciate normal volume days. As a matter of fact, you appreciate those rotations that Jim, likes to take in gold that are, $10 rotations, from say 42.50 to 42.60, and that's what we need to get back to take our trading and make it profitable again. But like I said, if you go back and you look, let's just look yesterday afternoon. Let me find it. So, we had some nice, look at this pivot, boom, bam. I hit that trade right there, back through the bottom. That was one of the ones I hit right there. 5-minute red line. We had a lower lower rotation than this. This candle was an inside candle. Shing, there was my money. I specifically remember hitting that one. That got me the bulk of my money back, if not all of it. I don't quite remember, but I just remember there was some decent rotation. You know, the key was we had this consolidation right here, broke through the bottom of the consolidation, ran it right back to the red line. That's what you should watch for when your candles are, you're getting all that consolidation and you get that violent move like that, then bam, there it is, you know. But good job, Larry. Yeah, and I wasn't paying attention, but the NQ had, look at this NQ trade right here, man. Right off the prior day high. I wasn't paying attention. Zing. Those are the trades I intend to pay attention to more next year. You know, when volume is better too, but it's those rotations like that and looking for bigger targets, bigger profits. That's my objective. That's one of the things I've talked about that I think everybody should do on a routine basis. I do it twice a year between Christmas and January and July, the 4th of July, you know, for my business. But I also now do it for my trading. Been doing it with my trading since like 2022. And that is to just evaluate where I am, what's going on, and then figure out how to maybe modify some of what I'm doing so that I always have like some kind of development, you know, because I tend to just kind of stay in ruts without if I don't stop and evaluate what I'm doing. Yes, it did, didn't it? Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You dirty dog. Literally touched it. But I mean, see, and so, you know, look, so JP, look at that. I mean, but in normal world, that finger down and then up, it's gone. But today it's just sitting there. In normal world, because this, look at this. See this pivot here? It went through the top of it, came down, touched, and then boom. Normal world, that is an absolutely gorgeous setup because we broke that pivot to the left, slammed it down to the prior day open from the top instead of forcing our way through, and then wham. See you later, Rick. Yeah, see you next year. So that's that right there. And all the games were played to make that work perfectly. So that right there, not going back through the top immediately, that right there tells you you're shit out of luck. The ES is kind of setting up for something similar. Give me a second here. So the ES went, look at this. Look at the ES. Now, see, the ES is trying to help you guys make money. See, it went right through, came up, sat on top, boom, there you go. I mean, Jesus. So the ES is trying to help you make money. It's trying to help you make money. It's doing its part. That's a classic. That's a beautiful setup. Blew through, came up, sat on top, candle to the left, bam, right back to the pivot. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's probably going, Ryan, but I mean, it's see, this candle here closed below that line, so I'm not looking for a long anymore for whoever was looking at that ES. See this candle? It literally closed below it by a tick. As soon as it does that, man, I'm done. Now, I mean, it's scalping up, but I'm telling you now, I'm not looking for the long. Yeah, it's probably gonna. But see, for the sharks that play this game, that game right there, that pivot to there, and then the rotation. I mean, that's a 100% shark move. But for the sharks that did that or do that, there's not enough sharks for the follow through, and so now you're just jumping in. Am I making sense? Now you're just jumping in. It's like pattern wise, it's there, but I want to be there when the sharks are moving it. If that makes sense. Looks like the NQ is going to go long. Yep, sure does. Looks like the NQ is going to go long. The ES is trying. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah. Well, the ES battled its way back up, and the NQ did go long. Just insane. I mean, that's just here it goes. It's trying. It's trying. Oh, the NQ just rolled over. Ooh. Where am I? God dang it. I keep going to my wrong thing here. Roll over, damn it. Roll over. Roll over. Come on, NQ. Roll over. Come on, pick up the pace. Come on, NQ. Oh my God, pick up the pace. It's below that red line. The red line's trying to hold it down. Come on, pick up the pace. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ridiculous. Just ridiculous. Once it broke that top, it's over. Now it's going long. And that's it. That's a perfect example of things just don't have any. Look at that. Look at this gold. If that doesn't tell you it's directionless, I don't know what does. Okay. All right, hold on here. NQ. If it breaks that, oh shit. Oh shit. If it breaks that top right there, when this candle closes, it's going to go long. It's sitting on top of the red line again now. Come on, go. Wow. No, they're not confirmed either way. Yeah, no problem, Mike. Yeah, that's what I would do. I have to look at a calendar. I haven't looked at anything. Plus, I'm going to, see if volume starts picking up because, the market's open, like January 2nd or whatever. But, I mean, there's no sense in doing this on January, doing stuff like this on January 2nd. I just, come on, go. Wow. It's just not going to, it's just directionless. Directionless. Absolutely directionless. It's going to go down now. This high is higher than this high. So now, and it's inside the red line. So the rotation is now that way again. Unbelievable. There's just nothing there. Thank you, JP. Yeah. 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 No problem. Absolutely. Absolutely. Why do I keep doing that? All right. So the ES went down, sat on top. Here it is again. Pull back. You You had to. So I'm going to try to get that right there. Get all my money back right here. Come on, ES. There you go. Now let's go. Let's rotate back through the high. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Keep going. Yeah. Yep. Just nothing. Anyways, all right. I'm going to shut down because I can't get anything to move. All we're going to do is throw money away. I have to, again, Mike, I have to look at a calendar. I haven't even looked. I mean, January 5th might. It's probably the most reasonable one at this point. So, I mean, that's what I'm going to shoot for. That's what I'm going to shoot for is January 5th. All right. Everybody have a good day and have a wonderful holiday. I will be putting out a video sometime about the W patterns, like the one we saw that was absolute gold in the in gold of all things. This in the overnight from the prior day low, shing up, shing up. Wow, holy cow! So, all right, everybody have a good Christmas. And I will see you guys next year. I get to say that. I'll see you guys next year. Bye.